Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my future video uploads. I'm Juliet Migwe, and today I'm sharing with you how to make these very simple Christmas ornaments using our wooden ornaments that I'm going to show you how we're coloring them. These ones are pre-done, bought, but I'm going to use resin to show you how we'll hold them because they're pretty tiny, so I needed a lovely way to showcase them. And so we're going to use our cupcake molds and our Christmas glitter. And then something to note, our silicone cupcake mold is a matte finish, but don't worry, the top will be shiny, the underside will not be. But because I'm going to show you how we're going to fix this on this, it's going to take care of our problem for us. And I've already mixed my resin because I was making a big batch. Remember to always wear a mask. I'm making only one piece, so I decided let me talk to you. So let's just put just a small layer, a 1 millimeter layer of resin. It's been sitting a bit, so it doesn't have bubbles, and it's still light, but I've seen the bubbles, and so if you still have just a light touch, and then after that just a light touch with the blowtorch. After that, just pick your glitter and you can choose whatever glitter type, style, color you want. Christmas, so hey, let's go crazy. Okay, and then we're going to just top it off a bit. You can also just mix it together with the resin, but today I decided to do it this way so that I don't use excess. But sometimes you can do that where you mix your resin. That's a different way of doing it. And that's it. Let's wait for it to cure. Then I'll show you how we color our wooden ornaments and how we'll fix them on this. And because this is also a cupcake mold, it doesn't have the hole, we'll then put the hole together. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If you'd like a set for yourself, please DM me at Juliet Migwe Inspires on Instagram. The link is in the description below. This is our simple Christmas ornament. We're just going to demold slowly like this. Remember, this is what I told you. It has a matte finish this side is shiny. Yeah, you can see that. So I'll show you what we'll do with it with the wooden ornament. For this part, what we're going to do is put not too much, a little of the clear resin. We're putting the clear resin, remember to make it shiny so that it's no longer a matte finish. And then why not take advantage and I'll put our wooden piece, that's our angel, so that when it dries, not too high, I'm forgetting because we will need to drill the top for it to there is our angel. So let it dry, then we'll drill and show you how it looks. You also have the option of putting resin on this wood, but I wanted a contrast because we have a lot of resin going on and this looked very lovely. Here is our angel after putting resin to help it shine and sticking our wooden angel on top. All we need to do now is make a hole. You can use a spring drill or any other method, but I'm using this mini grinder. Or you can use a Dremel if it's something you do often. For me, I needed just something very simple. You can put tape on it so that it doesn't grind off or roll off and make scratches, but my secret is to just put it on just before drilling. Okay, that's it. And then we are going, let's put this on the side. To move this, and then we're going to just wipe it with something wet, and then we are going to use a thread like this, put it through, or whichever style you choose to use. You can put something else here, you can use twine, anything. Tie this off, and then I'll show you how it looks on the Christmas tree. So there it is, a pretty simple ornament with just glitter, a wooden ornament, and resin. Let me show you how it looks on the tree. I hope you liked this. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out my other Christmas ornaments for you or any other resin art videos. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below or DM me at Juliet Mego Inspires. God bless you. See you next time. Baraka Tele.